Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by assembling essentials and taking the first impression. Mix the alginate exactly as the kit labels indicate. Work briskly because it sets fast. Seat the tray with material evenly, press straight up into your jaw and hold steady for the recommended time. Don't rock it. Once set, gently wiggle and remove the tray. Inspect the impression for clear tooth and gum detail. If voids appear, remake immediately. Accurate impressions are the foundation for a well-fitting denture. Next, you'll create the denture base using the impression. After trimming, apply adhesive to the tray where directed, then fill it with the supplied base material or resin and allow it to cure the full time. Once hardened, try the base in your mouth and evaluate fit. Feel for pressure, looseness, or edges that bite. Mark any sore spots with dental wax or dye, then remove to trim and smooth those areas. Make iterative adjustments until the base sits comfortably and evenly. Finish by refining the denture. Carefully trim rough edges, smooth with polishing cloths, and verify bite alignment in a mirror. Make small relines or trim increments rather than large removals. This preserves fit. Once polished, wear for short periods to test comfort, gradually increasing time. If you notice persistent pain, ulceration, bleeding, or major instability, stop using the appliance and contact a licensed dentist. Home kits can solve minor fit problems, but professional care is required for complications or structural failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.